guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this logo intro video on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to crop this to like 1:1 frame ratio, and I'm just going to try to like put it in the middle. Actually, I'm just going to leave it like this. That's fine. Okay, then you are going to make it super small. Well, not super small, but it's like the small maybe. Add a keyframe. And then you are going to maybe like go here and make it just a little bit bigger. Then you are going to go to animation and you're going to add in the spin up one. And you can also adjust the timing on it. Maybe like 0.3. Okay, like around this much. Then I'm going to go here and move the logo to the left side. Okay, here I want to place it in the middle again. There you go. Then you're going to add in your text. I'm just going to type in the word Saturn for this one. And I might make the logo a little bit smaller. Just make this super small. Then here, I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. There you go. And then I'm going to then move it to the left again like before. Place it here. And make sure this is still in the middle, yep. And then this is where your text or name, username is going to go. Then I'm going to select animation and you're going to select wipe left. And you're going to place it here, like when the logo starts moving to the left, and you're going to adjust the time animation with the logo. So mine's like around 0.2 seconds, as you can see. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.